In this video, we're going to show you how you can export a selection to a photo inside CreateSpace. Now, the whole reason why you may want to export as a photo of your project is because maybe you're wanting to share it on social media, or maybe you even want to have a visual representation of your project in the same folder as your CreateSpace file. So let's go ahead and get started on how we want to do this. So in this example, we're not going to want the sun to be part of the photo. We just want the bucket pail, the bucket list, and the shovel. We're going to select everything here. And with that selected, now we can go up here to File, Export. This menu will appear. Now what I will tell you is do not get quick on the Enter key because we need to let CreateSpace know what file type we want to export this as, because we do have several options. So I'm going to call this bucket list. And down here at the bottom, we have the format. So we have SVG, bitmap, JPG, PNG, and then TIFF. The one that I care about is going to be the PNG. The reason why I like the PNG is because it has a transparent background. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. And then I'm going to click Save. This window will appear. It gives you options on what to save. Notice that if I uncheck the selection only, I get the sun in there, which is why I said I wanted to only bring the selection. So I'm going to click Selection Only. The crop feature, you can sort of see it. It is assuming that I want the whole mat as far as my padding and everything. I would always recommend hitting the crop button if you want a zoomed in version of your image. And you can always give it a border in the X and Y direction, because if you don't, it's almost like it doesn't have any padding whatsoever around it. Now, the next thing that you see here is the drop shadow. Sort of gives it a three-dimensional shape. You can have it be applied to the bottommost layer, or you can have it applied to all the layers. You can sort of see how the text is sort of popping off of the bucket. So that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And now it's actually in the folder that we see right here. And I can open that up in the preview. So that is how you export your shapes by selection inside of CreateSpace.